This is next in a series of videos that I'm making using the CompuKit Logic Kit. And what I built in the next one here is a coin flipper. And you can see the heads and tails down below there, the outputs. When I flip the switch up here from low to high, it's going to trigger the flip-flops. And each time I flip it there and back, it makes a decision. Tails, tails, heads, back and forth. And I'll explain a little bit more in the paragraph that I'm going to type in about how this works, but I just thought I'd share it with you. It's old technology. It's not something that's so special, but I wanted to share it with people that are interested in the good old days, back in the days, and big iron type computer equipment. So thank you very much for watching my next video. If you have any questions, just let me know.